students, our next chapter is 21 and our chapter name is garbage and its disposal. Okay. Now in this chapter we have to learn about that separation of waste, how we can separate our waste. Okay. So anything that is discarded means which are not in use. Anything which are not used, that unwanted and useless is waste or garbage. Bete, that thing which are not useful for us, that is we called waste product or garbage. It includes leftover food material, broken glass, empty packets, jars, vegetable peels, bottles, rags, and household waste. Vache garbage included, which things that which are left food material, that, and broken glass, that also, empty packets which you eat, that jars, vegetable peels, okay, bottles, and rags means a piece of old cloth have that, and other household things, okay, that is called waste. Now disposing of this garbage is a big problem. Bache, these type of materials, these type of garbage, it is difficult na to how we can dispose it. Okay, this is the very big problem for us. It should not be thrown into a river, but we should not throw it inside the river, inside the lake and other water bodies, because if we are throwing these things inside the water, then our water is polluted. If it is burnt, then it causes air pollution. If we are burnt it, then it causes air pollution. If we are bury means that hide, okay, that hide it on land. If we can hide the garbage inside the soil, then it pollute land and groundwater also, and it will give rise to disease. Different disease it cause rising, which disease, that typhoid, diarrhea and cholera. So this type of diseases is caused by pollution. Segregation of waste. Now segregation means separate, how we can separate our waste. See here, this is the garbage on landfill. Openly we throw it na, see. Now this is type of biodegradable waste. Now what is biodegradable waste? Plant and animals waste like vegetable peels and excreta. Excreta means human body waste that rot easily and mix with soil. So this type of waste is easily mixed with the soil, so they become a part of the soil and become manure for plants. But this type of waste na become when it mix with soil na, then it is used as a fertilizers for our plants, for our field. Okay, we can use that as a manure. So hence these are called biodegradable waste. Now what is biodegradable waste? That waste which are mixed with the soil, that is called biodegradable waste. Solid waste like plastic, glass, metal, polythene, etc. This type of waste that are solid na, that do not decompose easily and hence are called non-biodegradable waste. Which decompose means which are not mixed with soil easily not, it's not mixed with soil. Which type of waste is not mixed with soil, that is called non-biodegradable waste. So they stay in the soil for a long time and cause soil pollution. If we are throw it inside the soil, then our soil become polluted. If animals eat them, then they fall sick and even die also. If animals can eat plastic, glass, this type of waste, if they are eating, then they fall sick and also sometimes they are die. So keeping the surrounding clean and disease free is everyone's responsibility. Bete, it's our responsibility to keep our surrounding clean. Okay, so we must separate the biodegradable and non biodegradable waste before we dispose of the garbage. But when we dispose it in the bin, in the dustbins, okay, dispose means that we can how we can separate and segregate our waste, how we can dispose it, where we can dispose it. So in most area the municipality provides garbage bins of a different colors. Bete, each and every that city and that town having a municipality that which provide the facilities to the that particular area. So that the municipality provides garbage bins of different color. They provide the different color dustbins. The green colored, see here, this two type of the that different color dustbin is there, no? So the green colored bins are meant for biodegradable waste and the blue color bin are meant for the non biodegradable waste. So we must separate the garbage accordingly before we dispose it off. Now bache, see here, this is the green bin, okay, and this bin given for biodegradable waste which are mixed with the soil, that waste we keep inside a green bin, and which are not mixed with soil, that we keep inside the blue bin.